Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're just going to be doing the last easy one and done eyeshadow tutorial. That's what I'm calling them on the channel. So yeah, there's a whole playlist of this now with like 3 or 4 videos in it, I think. And I want to see what this looks like on the eyelids. One of them I've actually dried up, but I'm not going to go to the place where I got it from because these are only minis, and that shade wasn't one of my favourites anyway. So yeah, one of them I've dried up. I'm going to try and revive it with contact lens solution. I believe you can do that. But if it doesn't revive, then I'm just going to declutter it. But we're going to try this one. This one hasn't dried up. It's only a very slight wash of colour though, is that one there. The nicest one from the collection is the purple one, without a shadow of a doubt, which I'll show you at the end. It's just really pretty. And we're going to also be using the Too Faced chocolate bar so I can do the update. So once we've done this look, then I'm going to be filming another video straight after to show you my update finally. So you'll get to see that in the next few days. Right, the lipstick I've got on, by the way, I wanted to put a lipstick on before I came on camera because I'm not sure about some of the shades that I pulled. So this rotation is a chopping block rotation, and this one is the YSL one. So it's got quite a peach undertone, but it doesn't look as bad as I remember it. I mean, I didn't wear it for the longest time because it looked quite bad. My makeup was pretty toned down though today, so that might be why I like it even more, and my makeup is really looking dewy. So yeah, I do like this lipstick, how it looks. We'll see how it looks with the eyeshadow. I might change it for a different lipstick, but like I said, we've got quite a few lipsticks that are on the chopping block, and I just want to see if I want to keep or declutter them, and then in the next couple of weeks I'll be able to tell you what I think of them and if any of them are getting decluttered. So where's my mirror gone? Found it right in front of my eyes. My eyesight is getting terrible, guys. Luckily I've got an appointment with the optometrist on Sunday, so yeah, we will see what they have to say. So what I'm going to do is I've found the brush that I normally go in with, so I'm going to go in with this one. This one is a Real Techniques 200. It was from that Bold Metals collection they did years ago, so that's that one. They must have done that collection at least 10 years ago, because I remember going into Manchester and buying a few of the Bold Metals brushes. I bought this one and I bought the bronze contour one, and I went to the Trafford Centre to buy them. I remember, because I was with my ex-husband at the time, and that was when I didn't have a lot of makeup brushes, so I can't remember when this collection came out, but it was probably at least 10 years ago. So now then, I'm going to go in with the Salted Caramel shade. So that's one of the eyeshadows that I'm panning in this palette, if you're not aware of it. So obviously I want to use that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques blend shadow brush. It's just got more of an oval tip. So yeah, let's go in with that one. So you're going to finally get to see how well or how not so well I've done with this project. I think the last time I did an update was in February, so it's very much needed to go up. So yeah, I said that I was going to do it every 2 months. Obviously I missed it in April for some reason. I'm not too sure why. Now normally I would go in with the liquid shadow. I'm not impressed, guys. I'm not impressed with this at all. I'm just going to put one layer on. So basically I got a pack of 3 of these. One's dried up and the only other shade is the purple one that I really like. This one I probably will just let it, I'll probably just let it dry up, just because I'm not overly impressed with it. I could probably go in with a lighter shade than Creme Brulee. I could have gone in with Marzipan, which I'll show you what Marzipan looks like. That's Marzipan. So I could have probably gone in with that. What does it look like over the top of that? See, I mean, you can see the glitter, but it's just not very good. I mean, some of the W7 one I've got a better quality than that. But yeah, that's the only Stila one I've come across so far that I don't like. So I'm just going to leave it how it is. You know, it looks a lot more pigmented because obviously I put the Creme Brulee shade underneath. What I'm going to do now is tightline, if I can find my eyeliner. And I think I'm going to change the lipstick as well. Okay. Yeah, let's change the lipstick. Let me put some mascara on first. And I'll take this lipstick that I've got on off and we'll put another one on. I have got too much hair. With mascara it's looking nicer. You can see the glitter in it. So it's definitely an eyeshadow topper. So I would need to use it with a similar shade, which, yeah, I can do that for sure, to get that bit of glitter. I just didn't realise it was an eyeshadow topper when I bought it, or when I asked for it for my birthday, sorry. So that's what the eyes are looking like. Let me just take the lipstick off. Right, so the lipstick's off. I'm gonna put one on that was in last week, Shop My Stash, and I didn't use, so I'm just gonna blend this out first though. Yeah, now that I've got mascara on, it's actually not looking so bad. Except for the fact that some mascara is transferred from the mascara wand. I really don't like that mascara, by the way, guys. I'm obviously going to use it. It's not the cheapest mascara to buy, but I wouldn't repurchase it. And I think I've said that in a video. So, yes, let me just pop a little bit more of that Creme Brulee shade on. And then a bit of the glitter over the top. Okay, so for lipstick, guys, I thought I would pull this one. So this is the Smashbox, and it's in the shade, the lipsticks are called Be Legendary, so they're from the Be Legendary collection that they did, and it's in the shade Inspiration, so it looks like that. And I don't know if I've used this before. Oh, that's much better. Right, and the last thing we need to do is put a lash line shade down. I forgot to do that. So we're using the BH Cosmetics lash line brush. And I'm going in with Semi Sweet. I've also not used an inner corner highlight. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks nice. And then I'm going to go in with this brush that only works for highlight, and I'm going to go into Champagne Truffle. So we've used quite a bit of the palette today. I apologise about the lighting in this video, it's not the best. I've just changed the batteries, I don't know what's wrong with the light. Right, so this is the set that I got. So it's the Stila, the highest realm. So you're getting 3 in the set. I just wanted to show it you quickly before I wrap the video up. They're just minis, which thankfully they just are minis, because otherwise I'd have been a little bit annoyed. So we've got Eternal, the one that I've just used. We've got Forever. This is the one that's dried up. I have shown this before, but I'll show you again now. The wand is even drier than the Ciate one. Nothing is coming off it at all. So I'm going to try and revive that. If I can't, it will be going in the bin. This one is the best one out of the lot. It's a really nice purple, and then it's got like glitters inside it. It's absolutely stunning. So that's what that one looks like. That one is definitely the best out of the bunch, and that one is called Infinite. But the other two, yeah, it's just not worth it, guys. It's not worth the amount of money it cost. But I believe this is an old collection, so that's probably why they've dried up. I'm putting them all in here. I'm going to try my best to obviously revive them because it was a present and I don't just want to put them in the bin. And if I can't revive them, then I'm going to have no choice but to do that. So yeah, that's the little set. It's such a shame. Guys, this concludes the look. So this is what we're looking like. It's looking really dark. I don't know what's wrong with the batteries in the light there. I've just opened the curtain, so this is what it's looking like. I do like the look, but only because we've put that creme brulee shade on the lid as well from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette, and that used to be my favourite shade back in the day. So this concludes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell. I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to be a part of it. So just click that subscribe and notifications bell. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.